Hello, everybody. So we've got a quiz tomorrow, which is Wednesday, September 9th, and it's going to be on everything we've talked about in these three sections. So in other words, from the beginning, the first few days, the fundamentals, and then we went to sections 2.1 and 2.2. So to refresh your memory, we solved a lot of polynomials using quadratic formula, completing the square, factoring, talked about functions in general, finding their domain, range, intervals, increasing intervals, decreasing intervals, the difference quotient, finding the relative max and min, symmetry, which goes along with this, odd and even functions, the step function, which is the greatest integer function, compositions of functions, and along with that, inverses. So look at your notes. Essentially, it's everything except for 2.3. We haven't covered 2.3 will not be in the quiz, and 2.3 was the first section we started talking about linear functions like slope and things like that. So look at your notes, look at your homework. ECC, I talked to some professors at ECC, and this is how they are administering their tests, so we're going to follow what they're doing. So you'll have to use your phone. So sometime send the link to the Zoom meeting to your phone and use your phone's camera to record your entire workspace. So you should have nothing on your desk except for your computer, and a calculator is fine, and then whatever you're going to write on to show your work. The quiz will be shown through the app ClassKick. That's the little app we did for the bangs exercise on day 2, I think it was. So if you're comfortable with showing your work on there, that's fine. But if you'd rather show your work on a piece of paper, that's fine too. You'll just have to take a picture of that work and share it with me. You could probably share it with me on ClassKick, but it doesn't work. Just email me. So, but this is important that I couldn't find a proper cartoon, but the camera should kind of be behind you and it should see the front of your computer, not the back of your computer. So I want to see what you're seeing. So the screen of your computer and then your work. As long as it's clear that I'm seeing the front of your computer, you don't have a bunch of tabs open, just the one tab with the quiz, and you have nothing else on your desk except for a calculator, a pencil, and a piece of paper, then we should be fine. So make sure you send that link to your Zoom. We'll start it as soon as we can on Wednesday morning at 8:30. And or send me a picture of your work to my email, or you could try to take a picture and upload it to ClassKick. I think that will work. But no notes, no help from websites, or just a regular, strict quiz. So kind of like a mini test. And I'll grade it as soon as I can. And I will see you the next time I see you on a red day.